In this video, I'm going to give you two great strategies to use fasting as a leverage to boost your fat loss, metabolism, and healing. My name is Szymon and welcome back to my channel. Let's go! The first strategy is time-restricted eating, also known as intermittent fasting. Insulin stays low consistently throughout the day. It means fat burning never really shuts off. You're not fighting a constant cycle of insulin spikes and crashes. Hunger naturally decreases because low insulin means stable energy and better appetite signaling. Many people find that they eat way less without even trying, without even counting calories. It's as simple as it gets. Give your body a predictable eating window between certain hours and then let insulin stay low for the rest of the time. Eat within an 8-hour window and then fast for 16 hours. This works incredibly well because it keeps your insulin consistently low without triggering risks connected to longer forms of fasting. The daily rhythm is usually way easier to stick to than sporadic longer fasting. And now the second strategy, weekly 24-hour fasts. This one allows for some deeper healing. Do it once weekly. I do mine on most Fridays. It gives you a metabolic reset and a variety of health benefits, but primarily powerful insulin sensitivity gains. People who fast roughly 6 to 10 times a year have about half the risk of developing insulin resistance compared to those who don't. After roughly 12 hours of fasting, you've burned through stored glucose. By 24 hours, you're in ketosis. Ketones are the optimal fuel for your brain and the rest of your body, and some small amounts of glucose your organs still need will be easily provided by your liver via gluconeogenesis. So you get all the energy you need from your own stored resources and some fat from your diet. Ketones are a cleaner fuel, so to speak, causing way less oxidative stress and way less inflammation than glucose. So next time you hear a fitness guru who says that there is no such thing as anti-inflammatory diet, well, draw your own conclusions. A 24-hour fast done once weekly gives your cells time to activate autophagy, the cellular cleanup process. That's where damaged mitochondria get recycled and where cellular junk gets cleared out. Over time, this improves metabolic flexibility. Your body learns to shift between fuel sources effectively. In the state of glucose abundance, your body is consistently forced to burn through that glucose first to get rid of it. So if you teach your body how to mobilize and use fat for energy, you give yourself an incredibly powerful metabolic weapon. And for weight loss and metabolic healing together, the sequence is crucial. Low insulin from eating patterns mobilizes fat. The fasting rhythms give your cells time to actually repair and remodel themselves. So you're not just losing weight, you're improving how your cells function. And there's the inflammation part. Elevated insulin drives inflammation, which suppresses immunity and accelerates aging. Lower insulin, lower inflammation. You're aging slower. Your tissues heal faster. Gut lining, joints, connective tissue, your brain and organs, and so on. Speaking of the brain, ketones are great at reducing the neuroinflammation, in contrary to glucose. To be precise, glucose can actually induce neuroinflammation when it's in excess, because then it can activate damaging pathways, which is not applicable to ketones. In other words, it's way safer to rely on ketones for brain energy than glucose. Now, you also need to understand and apply some ground rules when using these strategies. Rule number 1: hydrate hard and add salt to your water. When insulin drops, your body sheds sodium. Replenish it, or you might get some headaches and brain fog. Rule number 2: don't fast when you're already stressed out or you're running on fumes. It's because fasting amplifies cortisol, so if you have your cortisol already chronically elevated, fasting might not be the best option for you, at least during the hardest times. Rule number 3. Make sure you're ending your fasting in the right way. Protein and fat are mandatory. Some bone broth, fish, meat, eggs, this is the way. After a few hours, you can resume your normal eating pattern. Now, why does it work so well? Fasting is the most effective and rapid way of decreasing insulin. When insulin is low, your body shifts to fat burning. It's about proper signaling. You can't lose fat if you're not burning fat for fuel. The metabolic rate actually rises during fasting, not falls. Your body mobilizes energy. It doesn't hold on to it. After all, think about it. Your fat is there for a reason, and that reason is having the energy for times when you need it. Fasting isn't a punishment or restriction. It's giving your metabolism a rhythm, and that rhythm is where your health transformation really happens. It's an amazing tool, but you have to be careful with it. I will be revisiting this topic multiple times on this channel. But for now, that would be it. Please let me know down in the comments what is your experience with fasting. Also remember to ask me questions. I'm there to answer as many of them as possible and to help you. Also, if you value what I'm doing, please like, subscribe and check out my other videos. That would be highly appreciated. This way you support the growth of my channel. And for now, thank you so much for watching and being my guest. My name is Szymon and I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next one and stay healthy.